Gonna put a little bit of water in the blender. All right, Esther Delicious, good morning. Thank you so much for coming on the show. And then we're going to get a medium-sized green apple. So what you want to do, you want to remove the skin from the apple. All right. Lovely. That's the green KYP. Thank you so much. You're welcome. I know you're there. You're welcome, KYPP. Thank you so much. Now we're going to get a little piece of a ginger, removing the skin. Simple little piece of a ginger, very good to go. You don't need a lot of ginger. We're gonna get some celery, 2 stalks of celery stick. This is the amount of celery which I'm gonna be using, so it's not gonna be a lot of celery. Nice one. Put that straight into the blender. We're going to get half of a lemon. We're going to squeeze out that lemon juice. Roughly about a teaspoon will come out of it. Lovely. Now, the most important part of this video is this. All right. I have some parsley, and that's the most important part of this drink is the parsley. All right. So you could just blend the parsley with some, so we're going to put the parsley straight into it like this. All right. So I got a large portion of the parsley. Make sure you wash off your parsley. So that's going to be the most important thing. You could just blend the parsley with some ginger and lemon and just drink it. So this is another way you can have parsley. If you're a person doesn't like certain kind of stuff, then this is another way you could just have it. All right. By blend it up into some drink and drink it. So this is the most important part of the whole video, guys. What I'm doing right here. Because the parsley have so much benefit. It's unbelievable. If you notice, sometimes I make parsley tea. And then we're going to put some fresh mint in it. This is some mint I'm putting inside of it, all right? Yeah, a portion of fresh mint. It's pretty good to use inside of it. Lovely. That's the mint. And that's the amount of mint I'm using at the moment. So that's very good. All right, beautiful. So basically, that's it so far, guys. All right, it's just a simple recipe which I want to share with you, and you can do this at home. All right, beautiful. Now what we're gonna do, I'm going to blend up this. All right, got the ginger inside of it, got the lemon, we got the apple, which is gonna bring in the sweetness to it, and also we got some celery, and we got the mint and some flat parsley. Enjoy the recipe. Let's blend together, guys. Okay, that was lovely. Lovely blend. Let's remove it and make you guys can see. All right, this is how it look. All right, so what you want to do, you want to drink this naturally. All right, this is just lots of green juice in your immune system, which is very healthy. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna pop a pinch of apple cider vinegar inside of it. Just a little pinch of apple cider vinegar. All right, guys, do you see this? This is what you want to drink sometime, honestly. All right, then what we're gonna do, no sugar, no sweetener, no honey inside of it. Let's give that a natural mix. That is amazing. The flavor, and you can taste the parsley inside of it. The parsley is very strong, but that's the best way to drink it, honestly, because of the flavor and the texture. All right. That is amazing. Not naturally NTV, thank you so much. That is beautiful, guys. And you can taste the mint inside of it. So I just want to drink it to show you guys, you know what I mean? This is what Chef Ricardo normally do sometimes. So if you guys are watching me and, you know what I mean, might I say, whoa, is he drinking this drink? Yeah, I drink them. Yeah. I drink them, guys, as you can see for yourself. I drink it. Look, put a little bit of water on the inside of it. All right. Mix it up a little bit more. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Show. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas. And I will be giving you more ideas and more recipe for you to make at home once you're with Chef Ricardo. Keep tuning in, keep watching, and trust me, we can do this together, guys, at home. You don't need to drink certain kind of drink. No fizzy juice. And, you know what I mean, this is just natural and good for the immune system. All right, help to fight against also inflammation in your body. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day. My name is Chef Ricardo. I try my best